Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can load up staples and also brad nails into your Tacwise staple gun. So you're going to be loading them up in this compartment at the bottom here. I'm going to take out the battery just in case if your switch here was to fail and you were to press this at the same time, there's a chance that you could fire one of these across the room or into yourself. So without the battery, it's not going to go off. Now, the staples and the brad nails go in here. So you're going to squeeze this here like so, and you're going to pull it out. This is where you load up the staples. Don't put them on top here. I've seen them on here before. They don't go there, they go in here. So when it comes to the staples, you just want to put them in with the point going down because that's the bit that you'll staple in. So it goes in like that there. And then you just push it like so. And then you would do your stapling. When it comes to the brad nails, if you have a look, there's actually a little picture just here so you won't forget when you're out working. And you can see staple and nail. The nails have to be loaded on this side here, on the left hand side, yeah, so where the little nail is. So we're going to open it up, we're going to take out the staples, and these are the nails here. You're going to be putting the head, the wider bit of the nail, towards the top of the stapler, so the point, just like the staple, is going down, and you're loading them up on this side here. So just tilt it ever so slightly and just drop them in, and they nicely fall into a groove. There's a little groove at the very bottom here that the head sits in. So remember that it's this side here, so you can see them all lined up there. And then just like the staples, we just load it up like so. So that's it, it really is very straightforward. Staples, point down, nails, point down, and over to the left hand side. So that's it, that's how to load up your Tacwise staple gun. Thanks for watching.